Welcome back, my friends. Debbie Star here. I have an email marketing tip for you. 3 things you can do to turn these people into raving fans. All right? Doesn't that sound great? So let's jump into it. The first tip that I have, and again, we're talking about the email marketing. Once somebody's on your list, what can you do to keep that excitement, to bring them closer to you? The first tip I have is what I call the jab, jab, punch. And what that means is in your emails, you should not be selling, selling, selling. It should not be all about you. The bottom line is people are concerned about themselves, not you. That's just how we're put together. So when you are emailing people, sell to them maybe about every 3rd email. So the jab, jab, punch, give them lots of value, and then they won't mind if you offer a little sales statement. Okay, so that's tip number 1. Tip number 2, entertain them. Now, people go to email, they're still in work mode. Okay, now I want you to think about this for a second. When people are scrolling social media, they are just in shutdown mode. When they go to Google, they're in search mode. When they go to YouTube, they're in search mode. When they go to their emails, they're in work mode. Now, they might need a little break, and so they're checking their email. But I guarantee you, if you entertain them in your emails, they will read every single one of them. Simple way to do that is, can you just put in a funny little GIF? Just something. Can you tell them a corny little joke? Something that kind of brightens their day, makes them smile. So make sure that you entertain. You're still offering value. I'm not saying you have to become a stand-up comedian. Just offer them something. Add a few little sprinkles to that ice cream cone so they want to open that email. And then the 3rd thing is give them gifts, little virtual gifts. Reward them for being on your email list. So let me give you an example. Once a year, I send out to all of my people on my list a free link. I tell them, no, they don't even have to opt in. I already have their email anyway, right? So I make it super easy for them. But I send them this valuable gift. It's a spreadsheet that helps them easily track all of their business expenses and their income. People rave about this. Each year I update the spreadsheet. I just make it an awesome thing. I could easily sell it, but for the people on my email list, it's like a little annual gift that I give them. So what little gifts can you give your people to reward them for being a steadfast reader of your emails? So those are the 3 tips to keep people engaged and to turn these leads into raving fans. Do the jab, jab, punch. In other words, value, then sell. Entertain them and give them gifts. As always, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I would love to see you on with me every day on this little journey as I share these tips. And if you're ready to grow your business the easy way without a lot of tech overwhelm and that tender loving care that I give the people in my group, make sure that you check out the 20K Code program. As always, take care. See you next time.